That's Force 13's regional AU channel with the latest on the national weather scene for Monday, the 30th of October 23. BUA Meteorology has in place two severe weather warnings, one for Norfolk Island due to the ex-tropical cyclone Lola, and one for damaging winds for the Snowy Mountains, Illawarra, South Coast, Southern Tablelands, the ACT, Southwest Slopes forecast districts. Damaging winds expected today about the southern ranges. An approaching cold front is causing a vigorous west to northwesterly flow across southeastern New South Wales. For southeastern areas below 1900 metres, damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour possible in the Snowy Mountains district from early afternoon today before extending to the Goulburn area and parts of the South Coast Illawarra districts during the late afternoon. For the alpine peaks above 1900 metres, damaging winds averaging 80 to 90 kilometres an hour, peak gusts in excess of 125 kilometres an hour possible for parts of the Snowy Mountains above 1900 metres during the afternoon. However, winds are forecast to ease below the warning threshold during the night, and the warning area is Braidwood, Goulburn, Cooma, Bombarda, Charlotte Pass, Thredbo, Bredbo, Adaminaby and Nimitable. That is a severe weather warning for damaging winds. There's a sheep grazier's warning for the South Tablelands, the Snowy Mountains forecast district, and the Bureau has issued a final flood warning for the Murray River, and a strong wind warning to the Byron Coast, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden Coast. And for Tuesday, the Batemans and Eden Coast go back under a gale wind warning. It's a sheep grazier's warning for Victoria's Wimmera, the north central northeast, the southwest central west, South Gippsland, the East Gippsland forecast district. Final flood warning also for the Murray River, and a gale warning for Victoria's west and central coast. Central Gippsland coast is under a strong wind warning. For Tasmania, strong wind warning the southwest lakes, the far northwest, central north, upper east, southeast, southwest, and including the central west coast. Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, the strong wind warning has been cancelled. Here in Queensland, not much going on. Plenty Coast, strong wind warning. And for Western Australia, the Gascoyne, Geraldton, Lassison, Perth, Bunbury Geographic Coast, strong wind warning. Heat wave again for the Northern Territory, Tiwi district. On the screen is a look at the storm probabilities from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow, and before that we were looking at the winds at the 850 millibar level and also instability, which is a developing bit of information, and storm activity is possible in the coming hours. On the screen is the GFS precipitation and pressure. And the main feature on the weather radar is the damaging winds for the alpine areas. And here's the latest Bureau Meteorology's total forecast of rain. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and whilst we view the rainfall information, current capital city temperatures 29.4 Sydney, 21.6 Melbourne, 27.1 in Brisbane, 18.6 in Perth, 17.7 in Adelaide, 18.3 Hobart, 24.8 in Canberra, and a hot one as usual for Darwin, 32.5. No rainfall has been recorded in any of the capital cities. Possible shower or storm Darwin, becoming windy, possible late shower Canberra, shower 2 Hobart, same Adelaide, sunny Perth, sunny Brisbane, showers Melbourne, mostly sunny for Sydney. Extreme fire danger returns to New South Wales and Queensland. Cold front crossing southeastern Australia today and Tuesday will cause a tongue of hot and dry air to sweep across New South Wales and Queensland. This heat will be accompanied by busterly northwesterly winds ahead of the front before a dry westerly to southerly wind change sweeps through. Temperatures forecast to reach the low to mid 30s in central New South Wales, including the Sydney Basin today. The hottest air will then shift further north on Tuesday, with temperatures likely reaching the mid to high 30s in parts of northern New South Wales, southern Queensland. The air will be very dry ahead of and behind the cold front, which will cause the front to pass through without causing substantial rainfall. Unfortunately, this means firefighters will face a dry wind change as the front sweeps through, which will make some fires erratic and difficult to control. And this combination of hot, dry and windy weather will help create high to extreme fire danger ratings over a broad area in New South Wales and Queensland today and Tuesday.